In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert money on Wise efficiently and in just a few minutes. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a powerful tool for handling international transactions and offers some of the best rates available. Whether you are traveling abroad or sending money to family across borders, you'll find their service invaluable. Let's walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you need to log into the Wise app or access their website. If you don't have the app yet, it's a good idea to download it from your respective app store. It's available on both iOS and Android platforms, making it accessible to most smartphone users. Alternatively, you can log in through the website on your computer using your preferred browser. Ensure you're entering your correct login details to access your account securely. Once you're in, you'll see your available currency balances right in front of you. Now, the next step is choosing the currency balance you want to convert. So take a look at your list of currencies and simply tap or click on the one you want to convert. Whether you're switching from dollars to euros or yen to pounds, Wise supports a multitude of currencies. After selecting your desired balance, it's time to tap on the Convert button. A new screen will appear allowing you to enter the amount you wish to convert. Be precise with this amount to ensure that the conversion serves your needs. Here, you'll also select the target currency you intend to convert into. Wise will show you the exchange rate for this conversion. Next, it's crucial to review the mid-market rate, the conversion fee, and the amount you will receive in the new currency. The mid-market rate is the fairest exchange rate, and this transparency is what sets Wise apart from many other services. Take your time here, as this is your chance to see exactly how much you are being charged and what your final amount will look like. Once you're satisfied with all the details, hit confirm. The conversion itself is nearly instantaneous, which is one of the great advantages of using Wise. The moment you confirm, the funds will be converted, and this is done almost right away. Finally, you'll see the converted funds appear in your new currency balance. At this point, your money is ready, converted, and available to use as you see fit. Whether you want to hold it, use it, or transfer it again, you can do so with ease. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to convert money using Wise. Remember to double check each step to ensure everything is accurate before confirming conversions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Wise for all your currency needs.